Hidden among the rolling hills of Penafiel, Portugal, Casa da Levada was designed to blend seamlessly into the sloping terrain. Its shape is molded by the land, creating a visual and physical continuity between the building and the natural environment. Located in a village in Paredes, with the Temega River as a backdrop, its design harmonizes architecture with the surrounding nature, an architecture that evokes the idea of a built natural environment, emerging from the very material of the site. The access path to the house appears as a paved groove cutting through the grassy landscape. A deliberate separation within the structure distinguishes the social and private areas, leading to the central courtyard. Its architecture, defined by cork cladding and a green roof, reflects a commitment to integrating the building with the existing terrain, shaping the structure in response to the land. Casa da Levada incorporates efficient climate control solutions to enhance indoor comfort. A water-based radiant floor system, powered by a heat pump, provides both heating and cooling. The choice of ceramic flooring improves thermal radiation transfer, ensuring an efficient indoor climate. Additionally, a controlled mechanical ventilation system with a heat exchanger maintains air quality while reducing temperature loss. The glazing was carefully positioned, with exterior mechanical protection in the form of solar shading or blinds, optimizing thermal gains in winter and minimizing heat impact in summer. The house is organized around the courtyard, embracing it. It becomes an outdoor gathering space where horizontal overhangs frame the surrounding landscape. Designed by Tsou Arquitectos, they prioritize sustainability through the selection of materials and construction techniques that reinforce the connection with the landscape. The house is clad in cork panels, a typical Portuguese material that offers natural insulation and durability. The stone patio was built using repurposed granite from existing ruins, ensuring resource efficiency while preserving the site's historical connection. These strategies contribute to energy efficiency, environmental preservation, and the long-term resilience of the structure.